Nature never stops to amaze us with its unique and bizarre creatures, and in that list you can find the electric eel, tropical freshwater fish from South America. Their superpower, as their name suggests, stun their prey by generating electricity. The shocking thing about this, no pun intended, is that they can shock their prey with more than 5 times the power of a standard U.S. wall socket. This is due to 3 electric organs that runs nearly in these organs create charges by moving sodium and potassium around, and the eels can trigger these shifts at a moment's notice to send the charges from thousands of electrocytes pulsing out of their bodies into an object or creature. Mag-ingat! Ito pala ang electric eel. Isang isdang may kakayahang makalikha ng kuryente upang ipagtanggol ang sarili, manghuli ng pagkaigpuan nito sa mga ilog South America. Kaya nitong makapaglabas ng hanggang 600 volts ng kuryente.